Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and just want to give you guys an update because I cannot believe that I'm looking right here, 40 days. So I would have said, oh my god, this is the longest that I've ever been, so I had to go back and look before I said that, and it actually hasn't, and it made me feel good. But alright, let me give you guys a little bit of an update. So this is, much more time-consuming, challenging, high standard. I've never edited, recorded, thrown out so many videos, re-recorded, redesigned, anything in this whole experience. But it has been, it's been tedious. And here's something that I really want you guys to take away. And I've heard somebody say it, was even hearing my dad years ago talking about getting deals done. No matter how much you want something to go as fast as you can, and everybody agrees that it wants to go as fast as it can, it still takes longer than you think it will. So just want to let you guys know I'm still here, still breathing, still working, and I hate that I have not put a video up in this long. I've been twitching, and because this is a huge part of my routine and my days. But just really been working on this class. Want this class to be as best as it can, and have taken everything over the years that I have learned about Python, learned about teaching Python, and all these things are coming together. But like I said, I've never made so many videos and not used them, but I want this to be the best out there. But I just want to give you guys that small little update, but so you can hear it live in my real-time voice. You're going to have roadblocks. Something is not going to go exactly the way you want it to. Just keep your head down. Just keep swimming. Just keep working. And if the thing that works for me is that, so I have a long-term goal and a bunch of short-term goals. So I'm having hiccups, so I just kind of jump over the ones that are stuck and keep making progress on the other ones, and then come back and fill in the gaps. Don't ever get stuck and just hit your head against the wall, because I know one thing that I used to do is I'd have 5 programming problems all at one time, because when I first was learning, I just had one, and I just would sit there, and I wouldn't do anything else, and I didn't know what else to do. So it dawned on me that I would have 5 problems at one time going. So I was able to be thinking, and I could at least be making some sort of progress. And usually one would feed into the other, and then I'd get one done, and then I'd add a new one and add some complexity. I think that's a real word. But yes, just and also want to remind everybody about the Discord server. I have jumped in every so often, but I could not be more proud of this community, because the members there are taking care of each other and answering questions, and I love the freedom and the complete removal of any fears of asking a question. So this is for you guys, and I am enjoying sitting back and watching the development of all of you. So just wanted to give you a quick little update, and like I said, let you know that I'm sitting here breathing, and I hate not making videos, but I really, really, really am wanting to be focused and give this course the best chance possible, and hopefully we'll have an update or a final product really, really soon. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Drop any comments. If you have not joined the Discord server, please do that. I do not want you out here feeling alone or by yourself, because that's the worst, because I call that a non-decision. A bad decision is 10 times better than no decision. Just keep swimming. So all right, there we go, guys. Thanks as always. Thank you to everybody here. Thank you for all the brand new subscribers, and see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.